Changing the typeset in WordPress is an effective way to customize the look and feel of your website. This can be done globally or locally, depending on your theme and design preferences. Here's how to do it. Use the WordPress customizer. Log into WordPress. Go to your WordPress admin dashboard by visiting yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Open the customizer. Navigate to Appearance, Customize. Access Typography Settings. Look for a section called Typography or Fonts. Many themes like Astra, Ocean WP, or Neve offer this option in the customizer. Change the font. In the typography section, select the text element you want to change, and choose a new font family from the available options. Some themes may allow you to upload custom fonts. Publish the changes. Once you've made your selection, click Publish to apply the changes. Use Custom CSS. Custom CSS. If your theme doesn't provide font options, go to Appearance, Customize, Additional CSS, and add the following code to change the font. Publish. Save the changes by clicking Publish.